Hey guys, let's finish the subject related to the page templates today. So let's go. So far, what do we have? We've created a reusable template for the home page, and we will use this file to create a unique look for the theme's homepage. We also learned that index.php acts as a default template for many WordPress content, and I finished the last class saying that we should reserve this template file to control the page that shows the list of posts on the site. By the way, that's a recommendation from ThemeForest, the biggest WordPress theme marketplaces in the world today. So if your goal is to create WordPress themes of any kind, stay tuned to this recommendation. And I also said that for the other pages, we will use another file template called page.php. It has a lot of similarities with that first type of page template that I showed in the first lesson about the subject. Those that started with the word page, hyphen, and the page slug. That's because they are part of the same rule. I won't go into detail on how this works, but I left a reference link for you in today's lesson if you want to go deeper. Okay, then let's go down to business. Let's create a file called page.php. Let's copy the index.php content and paste it in here, just to save time. Sure, let's copy and modify the header with the documentation. Now, when we open the About page and the Contact page, we see here that the template file used is page.php. Now we can remove everything we don't want. Let's remove all these sections. Let's remove this content from the section outside the loop as well. Let's change this H2 to H1. And now refreshing the page, we have a much cleaner look. Now we just need to do the same thing for the index.php file, which controls the blog page. Let's pull everything we don't want out of here. And now saving the file. Now we got a much simpler look on the blog page. And look up here. It's the only one that's using index.php, which is the good practice suggested by ThemeForest. Now all pages of our theme look different, thanks to the modification we learned to make in WordPress page templates. This knowledge will be crucial for the next section of the course, which will start in the next lesson because we will finally start working with WooCommerce related content. The dynamics of the following lessons will be as follows. We will alternate between working with WooCommerce and the template files of the base theme. We will start working directly with the plugin files, but sometimes we'll come back to work on areas that we haven't worked on yet, such as the page header, the footer, the home page. So I'll wait for you in the next lesson. Until then.